Okay, you can go ahead and like. Wait. Oops. I failed already. Kind of hard, actually. There you go. Okay. You want to go check it out, honey? What do you think? Look at that. Okay, you can start.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anders. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, check out your cake. Where's my phone?
Anders.
She's got on it. Sounds like the best happy birthday.
You want to check it out? Here.
Why?
Don't break your
Brother,
finger.
your brother
Yeah,
is great.
he's going to get put on camera.
That was close. You knew right what to do with that frosting, didn't you?
Lauren didn't have any for cake.
Yay! Yummy! What do you think?
Sugar, 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 sugar.
He likes it.
Yeah, I think so.
He just put your face in there. Karen, did you have a picture of Rocket, or did you just...
I had inspiration online.
Is that a rivet design there? Is that?
Yeah, those are all rivets on there.
That's awesome.
You're really
Well, we
going
know
at
what
it there,
pieces
huh,
are
buddy?
Anders now, no?
Yeah.
I'm concerned that all those rivets are going to create a lot of drag and turbulence.
They might.
Yeah, they're not as flat maybe as they could be.
He's so neat about it.
Except for his elbow. Oh!
Where'd your hand you on the side?
Here you go. Here you go. Here.
Yeah, I think he burned his finger.
Cake will make it better.
Oh, well, this will fix it.
Yummy lava stuff.
Oh, thanks.
Good job, Mom. For letting him experience it.
That? Nice potatoes, so they create a little
Because it's always hard to...
air bubble pocket. Yeah.
Like when I see Laura do something, you know, there's part of me that wants to rush up and the part of me is like, is she ever going to, you know?
Well, buddy, should we take it in there and slice off a big piece? Huh?
Gotta be.
This is Michael's side, Mom. Over here.
You gotta have a side for everybody else.
He is eating that as fast as he can.